Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Hello everybody. I not just get too much of things to talk. This message na direct to Kate. Kate, this message na direct to you. E don take wey e don take this thing don pass 4 months wey e don take dey look for my trouble. Friendship no be by force. You no want me again, I no want you again. Na by force? No be by force. Why you come dey attach me to everybody wey you dey find the trouble, wey you dey get problem with them? You go dey attach me, dey join us, say na me dey say that they come. Kate, remove your hand for my matter. Remove your hand from my matter. Stay away from anything that is close to me, anything that is around me. Kate, your boy your mekure, stay away. If not, wait till you go see, you no go like her, oh. You no go like her. You no be say you don't know me. You just dey parabulate for nothing. No be say you don't know me. You know me and I know you. Kate, remove your hand from my matter. And everybody wey dey around me. You don't say where they look for me, oh. I dey look you. I dey look you. No be say I don't sabi talk. No be say I don't sabi talk. I not dey stupid as you be. Where be say no, you don't get respect for anybody. I dey respect everybody that's around me. Now make me quiet for you since then. Now make me, no be say I not sabi talk. No be say if I say make I come out for you, you don't know. You know and I know. Me and you know. So not come they drag everybody way down and because not me send you market. I not send you market. So not come tell me what, not come show me what you buy for the market. Do you understand me? I not send you market. Not come show me what you buy for the market. You not concern me, you not concern me, concern you. You say me you day your day and I day my day. Remove your hand for my matter. Remove your hand for anything that is close to me. Kate, no talk say I don't want you. Oh. No talk say I don't want you. Tomorrow now, na come talk say na so faith don't start. Oh, na so faith don't start. All of una where they join us is there. Una they look and don't pass 4 months. Where this girl, where this idiot, take they look for me and I quiet they look on. But this message, this video, what you do this evening now. But because I just do this one now because it don't they pass the boundary. It don't they pass the boundary. It don't they pass the boundary. This message now just to start. This one I just testing. I just say my tell and say me stay away from me. Because if not, our own matter go pass the one we first day ground we never see finish for since then. Oh. Because now she dey fine and I go give her to her back to back. I go give her to her because I don't care anymore because it's just too much. Person where they quiet, not be fool. I not be fool. I not be fool. I just they quiet because everybody wait there around me. They respect people wait there around me. So Kate, I say me, I tell you, stay away from me. Una way know her. Una way know her. Mona wanna because as he dey Kate body, as Kate they vomit, they talk anyhow, they vomit any rubbish. If I open my mouth, Kate, stay clear. Come out your body for my matter. Come out your body for my body. You no concern me, concern you. No concern me, concern your family again. That thing will be band us together. You don't cut, I don't cut her. So you let me be. Remove your hand from my matter, eh? If not, what you go see? You no go like her, oh. You no go like her. You don't they call me for more than 4 months now. All of the way they analyze, all the stupid analyze way they social media. Una blind and una deaf. Una not call her. Not be the time where I can't start. I will decide where I can't put the key. I go start the motor green. That time I can't talk say, hey, no one stop, oh. Hey, friend, not there. Una blind and una deaf is there, oh. Una blind, una there. And that time I go they use all of una. I go use all of una here till they knock each other. And that one I know. Say person will not they talk. If he talk, if they get till they be. Kate, remove your hand from my matter. Come out body for my body. Come out your useless body. Come out from my matter, oh. My matter not good, oh. It not good and you know. Not be say you don't know me, oh. You know me. Me, I know you. You don't all the name where you don't they call me since then. I they look you like say, oh no, this one not get, you not get brain. Because if you get brain, all this rubbish where you they do since then, you not go they do one. I hear they look you say, make this one they crazy. But this one where you can't do today, eh? This one where you do today, let it be first and last. Do you understand me? Since then, people they fight with you, say na faith they send them. People they fight with you, they say na Lolo, you and Lolo get problem, say na faith. Nah, Sarah, you say na faith. Okay, now me see send what did they call her Frank Victor. Now me still go send Frank Victor, niva bola wegbe. Now me still go send Frank Victor. I mean, na me go send Mama Boy. All the useless thing what you gonna do for the group. Now me still send there. Kate, how many times I call you now? You don't know what you they call. You don't know who you they call. You don't know for how many years when me and you take they play. You not true know me, because if you know me, you know they call me as they call me since then. But I also I can't warn you. Come out your body for my matter. Come out your body for my matter. Your mama they look you. You they cost me every now and then. For more than 4 months now, I not tell you. Not be the tell what I can't say, may I start now. This one I just they warn you now. If I say may I start now, they'll come and talk, say, faith yo. That time. No yebo. Eri atete. No yebo, eri atete. Keti. Keti, no yebo, eri atete. We guagua. We me atota ye matu we. Well, you say you want to call on my friend's name. If you finish with this one, you go call the other one and say me the gossip. Then they still know the gossip. Where me ask me matter where if I start your matter. Oh God, Kate, not push me. Not push me. You don't they push me. And you don't they go close to where if I jump at you know me. You know me, oh. People wey no person wey no dey quit dey talk. Mona go tell Kate, make Kate remove your body from my matter, because I know they quit dey talk. But if it spark, I be thunder and fire. Now be. So now this one say me I can't tell you, Kate. Now say me I can't warn you, and everybody where they give you that useless advice say they shook faith. Because where I go start, If I enter the front of your house, I will come out for back. Not be say you don't know me. Me na thunder and fire. If you say you the Chris, now be say me if you don't know me, Kate. Kate, you don't know me. Kate, umayeme at all, Umayeme. Because ya gwana wa we ge eri feti eri ono na I beg Mona, let me share this video. Go give Kate. Mona, I know say you not even need to share now, because the waiting that they call her, because I never want to start to insult anybody now. I just they be a good girl now. I just they be good girl now. I know say as I they do this video now, I know say that yours my day this your day here now. I know, but I never want to insult anybody. So my brother, let me tell you, warn your wife. Warn now. Oh, una know and I know. Una know say if he sets everywhere go seke, everywhere go para. Una know. So warn your wife, oh. Warn your wife, whether not she be the husband, whether not you be the wife, oh. Warn each other, oh. Because if he starts, if I put the key, if I put the key, una no go like what una go see, oh. Now say me I can't tell una. I don't get much to stop. I don't get much to talk. So now say I can't tell now. So may everybody yourself take it. Mona go take it. All the supporter where they support her. All the bad advice where she get, where they push her, they go thunder. So now they push her, may come me thunder. I be thunder and fire. I don't care what people talk about me. It's my life. Anything what I like, I do with my life. I never marry. I don't be like you, Kate. One year, as I just off quiet since then, you know and I know. You know nah. While I be like bicycle. You know and I know. Say if I sit down for your matter, you go worse past the one way they ground, so we never finish. You know and I know. But and I you define. And if I answer you, you don't they go now. I don't give you this one now. If you not stop for you, what you dey buluku. O mi no gwalo boku pe keti O mi no gwalo boku pe. O mi no gwalo boku pe because emi kere o son no me. Emi kere o son no me. Wa ti e keti re. wati eketire ade mani ho wati etion sa wa ya fefe no orie Nigeria omeme nu wati otie orie Nigeria o me o wa gbagba we nu wa ya san wa via san yo ni san we re omo neme no mo go ne da mo go ni je omo no gbije kwa ma via san yo ni san wa ma via san yo ni san wa na sia no we gbe mu ememe ni no meme ade Nigeria no gbe mu ade eri ade waka Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Since we mighty via san yo ni san wa na sia when no ya ade Nigeria no we gbe we ade very oni me a help wa via 24 lashes even short no ya help wa via 1000 lashes yo ni san beg I say or let's work I beg mona me share this video go give anybody wey know Kate mona go send her give Kate and anybody wey know her wey go fit talk to her because if not I go give her 1 million lashes because I'm a lying winner in a giario wa you know do you get it do you understand me because you don't pass your boundaries I dey look you Kate Katie Now so I talk and reach. I don't want to talk more than this. I can't say, man, I warn you. Come on, body for my matter. Come out your body. If not, where till you go jam you? Aso rock, thunder and fire. Now so I talk and reach. Thank you, everyone. I beg, I beg. All of you now, wait, they talk. Say, faith not talk. There is nothing where person they take. I know if we take again. There is something where person they take. I know if we take again. Come on, body for my body. They mention my friend's name anyhow. They mention my friend's name. You don't spell my name for social media. Why can't you spell my name with my friends? You they crazy. You think I get useless friends like you? You they mad? Eketi. Itama wene. Igu egwane. Emni atana iwa beta. So mana igbene gboyegbe. Emni ri wa so amie. Uteke uga swallow uga nwame. Me ba ben we siame sen. When we siame na o malake ben we siame sen na. Maybe at the time why yakin one number one. Egeni one we a thunder and fire or we jam. I bet more na me share this video. Good night everybody.